These AI short videos showing people building underground bunkers are going insanely viral right now. Just take a look at this channel. The creation date shows it's only 2 months old, yet it already has thousands of subscribers with just 77 videos and over 290 million views. That's honestly one of the fastest channel growths I've ever seen. The crazy part is that I discovered a way to create my own bunker time-lapse AI shorts that can also go viral, and I did it without paying anything up front. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these types of videos yourself. All I need from you is to watch closely and follow along.
To start, the most important thing you need is a solid master prompt to use in ChatGPT. I've placed a Google Docs link in the description that contains the exact prompt I personally use. Simply open the document and copy the entire prompt exactly as it is. Once copied, open a new chat in ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and hit enter. This prompt will automatically generate 10 unique video ideas in different locations. Each idea includes 9 scenes, and every scene already comes with a text-to-image prompt, an animation prompt, and a complete voiceover narration. So basically, everything needed to build the entire video is already prepared. Next, we need to generate the images. Go to Google and search for Flow, then open the first link and click Create with Flow to start a new project. Inside Flow, click the Model Settings icon in the prompt box. When the menu opens, configure the settings like this. Set the output type to image, choose Portrait format, set output to X2, and select the model Nano Banana Pro. Now go back to ChatGPT and choose one of the video ideas. I'll use the first one. Copy the text-to-image prompt for scene 1, paste it into Flow, and generate the image. Two images will appear. Choose the one you prefer, download it, and delete the other to keep things organized. Next, click the plus icon in the prompt box and upload the image you just downloaded. Set the output to X1 so the image becomes the main subject. This helps generate consistent variations within the same environment. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for scene 2. Paste it into Flow, generate the image, download it, and again set it as the main subject. Repeat this same process for scene 3, scene 4, and the remaining scenes until all images are generated. Now we'll convert those still images into smooth animations. Stay inside Flow and open the model settings again. This time, change the settings to output type, video, mode, frames, format, portrait, output X1, model Nano Banana Fast. This model uses 20 credits per video generation. If you ever run out of credits, you can simply create additional Gmail accounts to receive new daily credits. Now set start frame to scene 1 image and end frame to scene 2 image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompt for scene 1, paste it into Flow, and generate the animation. Once it's finished, download the result. Now repeat the process carefully. Set start frame to scene 2 image and end frame to scene 3. Copy the scene 2 animation prompt, paste it into Flow, generate the animation, and download it. Continue following the same pattern. Start frame equals scene 3, end frame equals scene 4. Generate, download, and repeat for all remaining scenes until the entire sequence of animations is ready. Next, we need a voiceover. You can use any text-to-speech tool, but I personally use Google AI Studio. Search for Google AI Studio, open the site, click New, and choose Text-to-Speech. Select the single speaker model and choose any voice you prefer. You can add a short instruction such as read the narration in a natural YouTuber storytelling tone. Then copy the full voiceover script from ChatGPT, paste it into the text box, generate the audio, and download it. Now it's time to combine everything. Open your video editor. I'm using CapCut, but you can use any editor you prefer. Import all the animation clips and the voiceover. First, place the voiceover on the timeline. Then trim any long pauses. After that, place the animation clips in order: Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on. Lower the volume of the animation clips so they don't interfere with the narration. If any clips feel slow, increase their speed slightly so they match the pacing of the voiceover. Avoid adding background music inside the editor. Instead, upload the final video to YouTube Shorts or TikTok and add a trending sound directly on the platform. This helps boost engagement and reach. And that's it. You've just created your own AI bunker time-lapse viral short video without spending a single dollar. Here's an example narration for one of these videos.
Buried beneath endless desert sands, this bunker was left to decay. Sand swallowed its walls. Rust destroyed its steel, but not for long. A team arrives to uncover the past. Sand is cleared. Steel is rebuilt. Concrete is reinforced. Slowly, the forgotten structure returns. And beneath the surface, a powerful underground command center emerges. From abandoned ruin to a fortress beneath the desert.